Hi, I'm Mike Gray, owner of Traveling with Mike Gray. After a lifetime of working, traveling, and helping people, I've found my passion helping others see the world without the stress and confusion that often comes with planning a trip. As an independent travel advisor, I help travelers book cruises, European vacations, guided tours, river cruises, and all-inclusive resorts. Whether you're planning your first cruise, a dream trip to Italy, or a bucket list vacation, I'm here to help make it happen. What makes me different? I believe travel should be exciting, not overwhelming. I work with you personally to avoid common mistakes. My specialties include ocean and river cruises, Italy vacations, group and senior travel, and stress-free planning. When you work with me, you're not calling a giant call center. You're working directly with someone who genuinely cares. Life is short. Take the trip. Traveling with Mike Gray. Cruises, Europe, stress-free travel.